Welcome to the Non-Human Identity Foundation Level Training course. Hi, I'm 𝗖𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗲, Mr. NHI, founder of the Non-Human Identity Management Group, the premier independent authority on non-human identities. This course is your first step into one of the most urgent and rapidly evolving challenges in cybersecurity, managing and securing non-human identities. Unlike human identities, NHIs belong to machines, applications, APIs, and automated processes. They're the digital workforce behind cloud infrastructure, DevOps pipelines, SaaS platforms, and increasingly agentic AI systems. And while they now outnumber human identities by a wide margin, they remain the least visible, least governed, and most exploited identities in the enterprise. This course is designed to give you a comprehensive foundation in NHI security and management. We'll begin by exploring the evolution of our identity. Security has shifted from network-centric models to identity as a new control plane. You'll learn why identity is now the new perimeter and why NHIs sit at the center of this transformation. We'll define what NHIs are, the different categories and the types, and how they differ from human identities. We'll explain why there's been an explosive growth of NHIs driven by multi-cloud adoption, SaaS services, containerization, microservices, automation, and AI. This has created a huge governance gap that traditional IAM tools can't fill. From there, we'll dive into where NHIs exist and how they're created and managed. You'll gain visibility into the sprawl and complexity of NHIs across your environment. We'll then shift to the risks of NHIs. You'll learn why NHIs are so difficult to manage and secure, and why legacy IAM approaches fall short. We'll walk you through the top challenges organizations face today and the top 10 risks every security leader must understand. We then introduce our NHI Lifecycle process, a structured framework for managing NHIs from creation to decommissioning. You'll learn how to discover and classify NHIs, manage their posture, secure them, and monitor their behavior and apply preventative controls to reduce risk. We'll share best practices for each stage of the life cycle, including hygiene and posture management, so you can move from reactive to proactive governance. We will then explore modern IAM techniques exist that significantly reduce the risk. It's critical we move away from legacy, long-lived credentials towards dynamic, ephemeral credentials leveraging identity standards such as OAuth 2, OADC, 𝗖cie and 𝗂𝗏. These approaches align with zero trust principles and offer powerful ways to reduce risk and improve controls. Finally, we'll study real-world breaches where mismanaged NHIs have led to catastrophic impact. From exposed API conversations to compromised service accounts, these incidents reveal what went wrong and what could have prevented it. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in NHI governance and security. You'll be ready to sit our foundational level exam and learn your certification from our NHI Management Group. So let's begin.